Today, I will be talking about 5 useful, amazing apps for your Android. You must have them. Welcome. My name is Jide, and today I'll be talking to you about 5 apps that I believe you must have on your Android phone. First on my list is Wavepad. Wavepad, this is an app that is very useful if you're doing any voice recording. It's an app that can help you edit. It's an app that can actually help you to convert any form of waveform into any other waveform format. For example, you have a recording that is on Wave and you want to get out an MP3. It helps to convert this on the go. Number 2 on my list is jotterpad. Jotterpad helps you to write on the move. It helps you to jot stuffs down and it is very easy to use. This is an app that also syncs with your Google Mail. You can have this app sync with your Google Mail or even with your Dropbox. Well, I hope you find the app very interesting to use because I did and I'm quite fascinated about it. Number 3 on my list is pdftoaudio. pdftoaudio helps you to read all PDF format files and even your ebooks. So, gone are the days when you have excuses of I'm not able to read. Now you can read on the go by listening to all your ebooks. Number 4 on my list is Snapseed. Snapseed is a very wonderful application that you can use to edit pictures. If you're used to Photoshop, well, welcome to Snapseed. Snapseed will do exactly what Photoshop will do, and Snapseed is handy. Mobile, you can take it with you anywhere and edit on the go. Seamless, fast, and easy to use. Number 5 on my list is ucot. ucot is a video editing software, and this software, I have used it and I have found it to be very good. Well, if you find Adobe Premiere easy to use, ucot is simpler. Well, with ucot, you can actually edit on your mobile phone and have it seamlessly, and you have everything that you're doing in one whole piece. With ucot, you can never go wrong. Links to this app can be found in the description section. Let me know when you try it, what you think. What are your comments? If you find this interesting enough, kindly like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.